Mahame Gyimifuo locals. Me ame dem address you to ga. Sense hunu say na be say undi wa Ghana tina de hate speech ne ehon niam ba say obi kan kwa asema ya de IP ba beche a me man kwa hwe IP man wo TV so nti trace na beche fa Black Maria beche ko Gyimifuo hwan na nim nyansa obukwa kwose sa foreigners criminals a obi tu ne fi nu krom omo kum go fo omo bokro no wo nu krom ti oyi sa nkofo ne dio obukwa kwose so mo begu ni fichire yete Ghana comedy ye nsuo kura anya nsuo sem kura anya eduane a yedi yedua wa haya aso kura anya pressure we yeso o man Ghana ka kitua bi so pressure we yeso no man peni wa dwini nya adwuma nti akwa akwose sa hoho di abegu o man mu fichire e de Ghana sika sa abehwe mo kuje to abra kwa ne se ono direct last stars on earth movie no why ne say foreign minister unhunya say hu say sad way edem to kwa betumi kura ba because aman bi betumi asori abeka say hey o so jimie so ade o man peni kwa no adwuma mre say che say gold wi an pe ne wo trimo Ghana na obedi na nkasa de gold wi an pe ne wo trim bi fufuro bianka ho ntina oba ya 3 days pepe na ati gold board na ade nkwasiafo ogu ano na afide ba omia na obeka kire se Ghana ye bie ya nkasa refinery betumi refine gold so Ghana ene momo de sa nkwasiafo ne kogu gold board ano ana omo be use sa ade no ewie egu ye nkotokuom na wo NDC ni auto aba NDC we nyina wo nya bi ndi ye nche na beba be sere mobile money se mami momu na kwame me anopa me ndi 30 40 50 number abesre na afie we be di atem no mechi nyina agum me sere opem asem na wo se me di atem na nya wo da fa cheme me ye politician ma ye twem nim di ankwasiafo bi aka kire me mbiri bi etwem sa brewe na me so adaro ma kakra wo ye ho fine unim se ne be di atem mwa.
Article 75 of the 1992 Constitution. See wisdom. It's the clear. Agreement be a only a man for Frobia by year as or mine. Mrano, Article 75 of the 1992 Constitution. It's the clear. Say, call my subject fear, Nakosiki approver.
The Canada Hodo.
Call Nakwakotum Rasabja for him. Says the US for say, or more rejecting Crophobia, Crophon, and Crophon empower more US manum because you're home. Ometima hadwen wo ye mamu Ghana ye dimirikase san Crophon ye kwajibi enti mrachebejafo mo represent mo Crophon wa abato mpeso aso ye nkwaji omo ana me ye nkwaji omo so by extension kra no wan fo obuoni ani die amma ye mrachebejafo no
Canada ho
mo represent ye no enti dana baba Samuel kujato abra kwa nipa ba ko foreign affairs minister wono kwa befa the 1992 Constitution, Article 75 of the 1992 Constitution, no dia se motorum te Ghana ye ne dia.
Etumpan.
No ba da ben. Okuja to no siso da ben. Do siso da ben. Sabe, NDC abaya metena konwa so okuja to na nko ye hwan.
O kan wie no so won te ase dia e wono headache.
And okuja to won so nchai the 1992 Constitution. Kansira no.
O sre da wo de gi a ye de ba ma
Oma mrane nya juma Ghana mrane nya juma ndiye tikoma na de fun bia no akofa frebruchire no de abra ni ahwe ni din e di asema we ye foreign affairs minister until the decision no a final decision constitution in Canada article 75 of the 1992 constitution a restricted
Wash we
na bisa hu se NDC for doso wo mayimra se bidwafie 2/3 majority o manya enti wodi ade a call my yimra subjafie say yam pass ade no nemra out ne anyintum no eye simple enti say nya sum adwadie ana NDC abia betena kunwa so samo kuje tabra kwanom omo ne US for ya edenti na won fan call my yimra subjafie na mu 2/3 majority no per the constitution the eka article 75 of the 1992 Constitution, the ekano, one fanko, now for sa procedural emrano so, Namra Subjafo, no more do one moon.
I've been Cassia so that I drink it 20 years.
Gentia want to mean fan say, what the car, Edom Kumana Benya, dear what agreement num, a shaking can be, and Tisadi, I mean fanko.
The Canada Hodo.
Sabibia ni moi, Yankodi is a cabian for US for yɛne ɔmo nkɔ bibia mu a sɛbe nkurɔfo a ɛba yi ɛnha adwene a ɛno ani US for ma unso matoro krata abrɛ me sɛ nkurɔfo bi refugees bi ɔmo yɛ West Africans for enti ne yɛ ɔmo de ɔmo akɔ ɔmo kurum enti metumi agye ɔmo kakra tra mo ma mu a enti krata ne nie nkrata a mepɛ sɛ me ne ɔmo sinsan die munhwem na munyintum na yɛnkɔ yɛ nim
adwen kɛseɛ so da yɛ adwen ketewa nte ase
ɛdɛnti ɔwɔ dwane
yɛka wo yɛ so bɛ reset ɔman
ɛdɛnti a akokoraba okugya tabra kwa na ndisi aban ɔmo de nneɛma hinta Ghana for transparency ɛyɛ key ɛwɔ mamuom adeɛ fan transparency wobɛma adeɛ mu ada hɔ ɛyɛ key ɛwɔ mamuom two adeɛ hia wɔ mamuom ne sɛ communication very important lack of communication open windows ɛma speculations sɛ wantumi an communicate ankyerɛ wo amanfo as a leader obi ade na dwene kan sɛ muhu bi akyerɛ wo
ne ka na da hɔ no
nipa ne ka wi ase national security for machi nipa no
ana pɛde ara na ɔka no
ubia mu na ɔka no kora kyerɛ Ghana for na Ghana for nyina hu agreement ni nie ABC de yɛ akɔ ma yimra so dwafie by extension yɛ akɔ ma yimra so dwafie no yɛnim sɛ Ghana for hu because Ghana for na ato aba e de ama mra so dwafo no wo dwane wo kɔ he
ne ka na da hɔ no
wo yɛ so bɛ reset ɔman wo bɛ reset ɔman no na wo de ayɛ deɛ
akɔba adeɛ ba ko asi ahi Samuel kugye to abra kwa wo kan ya ɛyɛ sɛ Dominic Ayeni the state attorney general wɔba bɛpepa ne ti na ɔbɛyi ano no sɛ wɔse wɔka kyerɛ attorney general nyabotrɛ jingles no wɔka kyerɛ attorney general Dominic Ayeni ɛna Dominic Ayeni sɛ wɔafrɛ US attorney general na wɔafrɛ US attorney general no US attorney general no aka kyerɛ wɔ no Dominic Ayeni ɛwɔ Ghana attorney general sɛ we de nhia sa de be ko mayi mra so dwafie wo betimi agye omo sa ntim fa nkɔ o mayi mra so dwafie so since one na US decide ma Ghana they say the US for and the kyerɛ Ghana for de yenye and the US for ka sa Ghana for nyina na samra me ka say ya that means yenya foreign affairs minister yenya attorney general Dominic Ayeni on be Ghana for nyina so mo na because US for aka
107.3
asase pono no
we need to protect the sovereignty of the country
etumpan
the 1992 constitution a switch US attorney general na what one who Dominic Ayeni according to Samuel Kudja Tabrakwa wo more directives say ye betimi agye omo ye hia se be ko ma yimra so dwafie that means a year constitution no a mamra no a PNDC for the buy no ye mamra no kro ye mu mamra no
ana pɛde ara na ɔka no kro sei
na bra CJ Chief Justice ya pam ni tokono ye pam no a wo Commonwealth Court asama Dominic Ayeni wo call sa Ghana Bar Association Conference eko kan ne se ye Ghana for ne yenya yasem enya omo tete baabi e na be kire ye de yenye hey ye pam Chief Justice the state attorney Dominic Ayeni say nipa na Commonwealth Court ene de wo ko siki sankrofo meboa no emframa no ne no wo se ye hu hia ye Ghana asem ti Ghana yen kan Ghana ha ya eni kwa so obi ya tra baabi dina no toto Ghana asemu but wo Ghana constitution as state attorney general the 1992 constitution one for buo amma no still you are there as an attorney general and you are happy
ne ka na da hɔ no
Mama be na chechere ni sa
ana pɛde ara na ɔka no kro sei
are we serious mama mamuo no aye bisi basa
wo ka wie no so wonte ase de ayi ɔno headache
mo respect Ghana for kakra
yɛka wo yɛ so bɛ reset ɔman
Mesra Mampanyi John Dramani Mahama the 1992 constitution na den betra so se Mampanyi
etumpan
obia no obetime etu Mampanyi na frɛ konwa so
hwene akasa
this said the constitution na kasa after 4 years ye kɔto aba enti appointees ri bi ntimi nyadwuma no mu twa ne toka wɔmpam mo
hwene akasa
somebody like Dominic Ayeni as ye pam no
ne ka na da hɔ no
Samuel Kudja Tabrakwa as ye pam no
107.3 asase pa
omu gu ye no ase too much
etumpan
enti na wu say Samuel Kudja Tabrakwa no obre Benada bla bi say questions no obre
so the journalist
I am.
have you asked Honorable Ure Cming this same question
Honorable,
when he said that, have you asked
of course,
no,
when
let
that
me
happened,
answer
we have. But I'm
You
saying
don't ask
this
him.
this is what
No,
we are treating now.
the problem I once in Ghana, and I've said it on radio, I've said it on Okusi saying several times, on Joy News PM. I've said this, that the problem I have is the hypocrisy in the system. The hypocrisy, especially with media people, chiefs, and sometimes pastors.
But Honorable, were you expecting us to allow you to go scot-free after making that statement? We shouldn't even query you. We shouldn't ask you questions. We should just allow you to go scot-free.
But the point I'm trying to ask you is that, for me, what did I do when I said that? I came back to say something. Did I say something? Did I? I said something about after that. Yeah. Hello.
I'm here with you, please.
No, we are having a conversation.
Sure.
Except you don't want me to also talk.
No, please do.
I will stop talking because we are having a conversation and a very civil one. My point is that nobody pushed me to say that. Oh, I think I went very far.
Right.
So that, but I'm just asking you a question. You as a media person, and that's the problem I have in this country now. All of a sudden, NDC has come, so every media person is dancing to the tune of NDC. Whatever NDC,
Honorable.
let me finish. Excuse me, let me finish, please. Whatever NDC does that is bad is good in their eyes. My point is that Honorable Ablakwa said something similar. No media house in Ghana knew the story at that time, said all those kind of things, what they said to me. I'm not by that justifying my actions. I told you earlier on that I'm not justifying, but my point is that there are two templates that you want. If you want to solve a problem, what you have to do that the measure you use to hit some or to address an issue, you have to use the same measure to also address another issue of similar importance. But when you treat one differently, then people will have issues with you. That's the point I'm making. That's the point I'm making, because the point is that I was expecting all those media people talking plenty to have to use the same energy because Okuyota Blakwasami, my brother in parliament, is now a minister for foreign affairs. He is in power. So now all those people, including you yourself and other people, they are afraid of him. They can't ask him. They can't even query him and ask him to apologize. They can't even query him and say all those things that he said to me, to him. They can't.
Okay, I'm not too
because
sure about.
That's the truth.
I'm not too sure about journalists being afraid of Honorable Okudzeto. I'm not too sure about your statement that we are afraid of him. I'm not too sure about that. But it's fine. Let's proceed.
We can move on. Let's address this issue. Let's finish.
Please finish.
My point that what he said, was it different from what I also said? We almost said the same thing. But nobody hit him with a hammer. Everybody treated him with a kid's glove. Because everybody's afraid of him. He's the Minister of Foreign Affairs, so we can't talk about him.
Interesting.
I said something similar, and everybody think that I've killed human beings. But people have even murdered children. That's what I'm saying. Because that's what people did to me. It equals to, and it's as if I've committed serious murder. But the William Blackwa did this almost the same thing, and he was left off the hook to go.
Okay, that's fair. That's fine. That's fine. I mean, that's fine.